Thanks for watching Travel with John Speight. Today you're going to see a tour and review of Mr. Sanchos in Cozumel, Mexico. Getting to Mr. Sanchos was about a 10-minute cab ride from the cruise port. This cab ride for 2 passengers was $18 US. From the moment you first walk into Mr. Sanchos, you can tell this is a great atmosphere. With the DJ at center stage right when you walk in, you can feel that the beach resort energy is in the air. Even though this is a beach resort, Mr. Sanchos has 2 pools, both of which have swim-up bars. The beach here had soft white sand and crystal clear waters. Along with the things you'd expect, Mr. Sanchos has plenty on site to keep you entertained. If you're looking for some refreshing Caribbean cocktails, don't worry, Mr. Sanchos has you covered. Of the 16 cocktails on Mr. Sanchos' menu, I ended up trying about 9 of them, all different in their own right. Our waiter, who was very friendly, made sure that our cups were never empty. And within a few minutes of ordering, he'd be right back over to our table with the cocktail of our choosing. And to help balance out all of the cocktails flowing, Mr. Sanchos also has food. You'll find a full buffet-style lunch with nachos, pizza, fajitas, chicken wings, and even ceviche. In addition to having a full buffet-style lunch, you can also place an order from Mr. Sanchos' food menu. With plenty of beach chairs, tables, and even Bali beds, Mr. Sanchos creates a very inviting and relaxing environment from the moment you walk in. So, if you're looking for an all-inclusive experience for the day, with non-stop cocktails, swim-up pools, food, and a lively environment, look no further. Mr. Sanchos is the perfect place in Cozumel.